Alright guys, we're in District 4, the one that everyone talks nonsense about, saying it's a slum, which it was in the 90s. We're at a place called 4 Rao. I'm gonna see if we can go in and get a shave and a haircut at this spot. Hi, xin chào. Hi, xin chào. Hi, chào em. Can I get a haircut and shave and vlog? Yeah, it's okay. This is like a pretty big chain spot in Ho Chi Minh. I used to go to one in District 7 out by my old work, but I think there's at least 5 or 6 of these places in town. All very cool and stylish. And super affordable. I'm not sure how much it costs for a cut right now, but I guess it's gonna be like $6 to $8. Okay, xin chào. Yeah, hi. All right, so we're gonna get started.
What shape do you want?
Just like the same line already there, and then like maybe malt high.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, malt high and just like chup chup, little eat.
Anh nói là 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's the girl at the counter is doing a little translation. Yeah. Yeah.
How about the top? Little bit.
Just a little bit. Eat.
Cắt ở trên một chút thôi.
Yeah, đúng rồi. Okay. Yeah.
Rồi làm ở đây. Line ở đây với line ở đây. Yes.
Yeah, đúng rồi. And this one, malt number 1.
Number 1. Do you want a hot shower?
Yeah.
Wash hair. Cắt cạo cho.
Số 1 hết luôn không?
Yeah, malt.
Rồi line
Yeah.
ở đây.
Malt. All the same. High. And then, like fade, you know? Yeah.
1.
Đúng rồi. All right, so I think we'll get sorted. Get a beard trim to a 1-2 fade, and a little bit off the top. Yeah, coming up. Thank you. Love the vibe in this place, though. It's decorated for Tet, for Lunar New Year's, but it's also just a very cool place. Ooh, that was cold. Gotta like stretch my toes and smoke a cigarette after that. Wow. Boy. Yeah, man. It's amazing. $7 Saigonese makeover just send you to cloud 9. Wow. Yeah, great. That one. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is
Hui? Hui?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Do you biết tiếng Việt Nam mình?
Yeah, tôi hiểu một ít tiếng Việt. Hi Cham. Hi Cham. My wife from Saigon. Bye Nam on Vietnam.
Wow.
Yeah, Saigon, Vietnam. I get here. Hai Hum Mo Chin, 2019. I came here just before COVID hit. Yeah.
You working here?
I used to work. Now just YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Before I was a teacher.
Yeah. Teacher.
Yeah, I was a teacher in District 7 in Quang Bai. But then I meet my wife here. My wife is from here, from Quang Bom.
Oh
Yeah, she grew up Saigonese. Yeah.
So
Nice to meet you too, man. Wow. That was the good stuff. For real. Truly unbelievable what you can get in Saigon for $7. $7 Saigonese makeover. You look like a new man, no?
like
Yeah, a little bit. Modi. Yeah. Why not? Okay. Yeah, come on. What's your name?
my name is Iki.
Iki?
King.
He? Okay. Nice to meet you. Clean. Yeah. Come on up. Thank you. Yeah, so Dinh Dinh.
The 1601 set. You ready to
Oh, kisses. Oh boy. That's so good. Woo. Hold on. There's 200. 220 for you. And then tip for you. Yeah, come on. Thank you so much. Bye. Chúc mừng năm mới. Yeah, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye bye. Come on. Bye. Nice to meet you guys. We're cleaned up. We're all ready to go. Time to go film a couple of videos on Avonay. Read out my blog scripts. For those of you who don't know, I give Vietnam tips, travel advice, how to move here. You can watch this next video right here where I go to a VIP Vietnamese barber shop. I get a 4-hands massage, a scalp treatment, the whole works. It was pretty ridiculous. It cost about $20. We can watch this video, the latest and greatest for me, Avonay, here in Saigon, Vietnam. Thanks so much for watching.